how to add a new API key on your Coinbase wallet or CoinMarketCap application or the website. For this, what you have to do is mainly click on your browser and open the Coinbase official website in front of you, and you should click that. After clicking on it, you will be available on the home page of this website where you should click on the right top of the screen, that is your sign in or sign up button. If you have already an account, you should sign in. If you don't have one, you can create one account, as you can see I'm creating. Now this is the home page after you sign into your account, and then what you have to do is you should click on the help option of this CoinMarketCap or Coinbase wallet here and go to the customer care center of this website where you can ask, or where you can tell them to change your API key or API settings of your account, because these are the sensitive things and that will be only available on or with the customer care service. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching it.